This is how much money I made this year on YouTube. No, obviously I'm just kidding, probably a bit more. There is even some Indian rupees in there. Anyways, today I wanted to talk to you about my experience the last year on YouTube. I just wanted to make a very quick video because I don't want to bore you about how much I made this year on YouTube, and if I have some advice for people that are just starting out. I wanted to give you 2 or 3 feedbacks from my experience. So this year I made $1,530 with the AdSense revenue on YouTube, which is not that much. It's not that bad, but it's not a lot if you think about how much time and money I've invested into my videos. For example, I just pay $900 a year, I think, of the programs. So Adobe Creative Cloud, the programs I use to edit my videos, and the music I put in my videos from Epidemic Sound. If you wanna use the link in the description below, you will get 1 month for free, by the way. This year I made about 700,000 views and I made $1,530, which means that I get about, per 1,000 views, I get about $2, $2.50, which is pretty low, but my videos are also very generic. If you specify your videos on a specific topic, you can make a lot more. For example, if you do tech videos or product videos, you can make way more because that's a niche, and advertisers will pay a lot more to advertise on your videos. Another thing I wanted to mention is how I afford to travel this much, and that's there is a very simple answer to that. That's because I'm a flight attendant, so I work for an airline. When I go to Chicago or Miami or anywhere else in the world, I'm just working on the airplane. Then I get there, I have 2 days layover, maybe sometimes 1 day, sometimes 2 days, and I really try to use that time to make the videos for you. So I hope you liked the video today. I hope it was interesting. I hope I answered some question. How many times did I say hope? Anyways, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next decade. Yes, it's gonna be the next decade. And goodbye, guys.